Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Google Maps and immediately choosing your destination. Type the address or tap a saved place. Make sure location is enabled and set to high accuracy so Maps uses GPS plus Wi-Fi and cellular for best positioning. Once done, select directions and pick driving. If you're in a vehicle, connect to Bluetooth or secure the phone in a mount. This ensures voice guidance and a hands-free view while you follow turn-by-turn directions. After choosing directions, review route options and tap each to see ETA differences. Choose avoid tolls or highways if desired. Make sure live traffic is visible. This explains delays and suggests faster alternatives as conditions change. Use pinch gestures to zoom and tap the lane guidance icon when approaching complex exits. That helps you position correctly. If you prefer audio, enable voice guidance and reduce screen interaction. Maps will reroute approach your destination and follow the final voice prompts. When parked, tap End to stop active navigation and conserve battery. If the map lags or GPS drifts, toggle location off and on, or briefly enable airplane mode, then reconnect. This refreshes satellite locks. Make sure your app and maps are updated. If you hit a wrong road or see an error, report the problem inside Maps after you arrive so the data improves for everyone. That fixes most common navigation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.